Whatever happened to that old shed? Well, he saved it. Welcome back, everyone. For those of you that have been following along, you know that we wanted to rehab this old shed, at least to give it a couple more years of use here at our home. As it turns out, most of the rot was along the bottom, in the back of the shed, and along the top of the roof. So what we decided to do was just to cut that section out. And when I say we, I mean my husband.
See if I can help pull it some. Oh, it's still pretty tight. Wow, that was a big piece. Okay, hold on.
It turned out to be a little harder than we thought getting that wood pried off the back. This shed is over 20 years old and those staples were made to stay in place. But we were gifted two really good storm doors that were headed to the dump, and we were determined to find a good use for them. And since it was about to rain, we went for it. We used long screws and attached two storm doors side by side along the back, and one on the front. Turned out pretty good, I think. This is the view when you walk in the front door of the greenhouse. It's much, much brighter. Lots of light can come in. And when you look to your right, you can see directly into the hen house. The girls really seem to like it, and when the weather's bad in the winter, I can collect eggs by walking in the hen house and reaching right into the nest boxes. This is the view from the outside, and again, most of the materials were repurposed. You can see the fence that we used on the left and a thrift find for the window in the front with a little chicken wire attached to it. All in all, I think our girls have a lovely place, and I'd say about 80% of the materials were repurposed and free. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time.